Hey everyone, welcome back to Pure Detox Life. Today we're talking about clove water, a simple drink you can make at home that might help you sleep better, feel healthier, and have more energy in the morning. You might be surprised that something as small as a clove can do so much. When you soak a few cloves in water and drink it before bed, it gives your body some awesome benefits while you sleep. Let's see how. When you soak a few cloves in water and drink it before bed, it gives your body some awesome benefits while you sleep. Let's see how. If you toss and turn at night, clove water might help you relax. Cloves have natural oils that calm your body and make it easier to fall asleep. They also help reduce stress and fight tiredness, so you wake up feeling fresh. Ever feel bloated after eating? Drinking clove water before bed can help. Cloves fight bad bacteria in your stomach and help your body break down food faster, so your stomach feels light and happy. Cloves have something called eugenol, which helps calm down swelling and pain inside your body. It's like giving your body a little healing boost before bedtime. Clove water may also help your body use sugar better, keeping your blood sugar balanced. It can also help your heart by improving blood flow and keeping your blood pressure normal. Cloves have vitamins and antioxidants that help your skin glow, fight germs in your mouth, and keep your bones strong. Pretty amazing, right? It's super easy. You'll need 2 cups of water, 4 or 5 whole cloves. Boil the water, add the cloves, and let them cook for about 15-20 minutes. When the water turns light brown, turn off the stove and let it cool. Then strain it into a cup. Drink 1 glass before bed, warm or at room temperature. You can even add a little honey if you like. Remember, don't drink too much. 1 cup a night is enough. Cloves are strong, so it's better to start small. And if you have any health problems, ask a doctor before trying it. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay healthy, sleep well, and see you next time.